It's pretty cool working with the Deegans. Everyone knows who they are. They're obviously one of the biggest racing families ever. It's pretty cool having Brian at the track because not only has he raced Supercross, he's won Supercross, and he didn't step away after he was done. He's still involved in racing of all kinds, and he's got advice and he sees stuff that everyone else doesn't. It's pretty unique having such a racing-based family to work with. Hayden's not a very picky rider. I just give him a very reliable motorcycle, and as long as it works, he works. He just wants fresh Dunlop tires and a fast bike.
Haiden Deegan's never been in this situation, excelling in a very tough position.
There's a lot of guys that if they could race the way they practice, they'd be multi-time champions.
Is he going to take it now from the vet?
Hayden was pushing to turn pro, and he really wanted this.
And Haiden Deegan gets fourth at his very first Supercross.
This is going to be absolutely incredible to watch right here. This rookie going at it. What a moment.
Hayden, he does that. So it's cool to see someone race the way they practice. Him and his dad and his family wanted someone older like myself to work with Hayden, just to help guide him into his first season and actually into his career. I know he's been on Team Dunlop Elite his entire life. Making the transition to big bikes to pros, having Dunlops, that's one less thing to worry about, knowing you're on the best.